Okay.
Be like, this is my best friend.
Alright.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Hi, Mom. I know you want some pictures. I want to show you my room, so this is my Kleenex box. And this is my bay window, which I've always wanted since I was a little girl. This is where the spiders come in. And this is all my stuff. And this is my best friend, Michelle. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, Emily's mom.
So, Michelle, tell me, how old are you?
I'm almost 21.
Oh my goodness. And you're so cute. So I'll say goodbye to my mom and then we'll end her off.
Alright, are you gonna do the finger snip?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
Emily practiced really hard for this. This is intense. This has like been the one skill that every impactor is trying to develop.
I'm really good at it. Ready? Oh. Yeah!
There it is!
That's it, Mom. That's all I've learned since I got here.